Hi, I'm Barbie.
I'm Ken.
And together we are
Barbie and Ken on the road again.
It's a cold travel day here in Indiana, and we are passing a lot of Amish families with their buggies and animals and clothes out on the line. But the funny thing was, we did see a lot of the Amish ladies at Walmart and Kroger while we were here. But it's beautiful country, and we are actually have about a 2.5 hour drive today. Our step cover is now fixed, so Sabrina's happy. Millie's still a little running around right now, and Princess is in her usual spot. We're going to Batesville, Indiana right now, to 1,000 Trails Park.
This is the entrance to the 1,000 Trails Indian Lakes Park in Batesville, Indiana. It's also shared with a KOA park, very small, which is just off the side of the 1,000 Trails Park. Off to the right there is the office and the store for both of the parks. And here we are driving up to the entrance. They do issue you a key card when you first register to come in, and you do have to drop that key card off after your last day, or you're going to get charged for it.
We are at a beautiful campground in Batesville, Indiana. It's called Indian Lakes, and this is our view from our campsite. It's super pretty, and we did not set up full camp because it has been terribly windy and cold, so we really haven't had the opportunity to spend a lot of time outside yet, but the sun just came out, so hopefully. We're having a golf cart parade. It's chilly outside. How cute is this? Our neighbors were in it. So cute. My God, there's so many. I guess you guys figured out golf carts are a really big deal in campgrounds. Indiana has some gorgeous colors left. Today's Halloween, and there's some beauty here still. There's our dream machine. It's only 46 degrees, so the splash pad and the pool are not open, but it's a very nice area, and I'm sure in the summertime it's hopping over there. This is the camp recreation room, and again, some beautiful color in the trees, a beautiful lake, and maybe we will have a picnic here later. So pretty. This is a really nice area for group gatherings, and a really cool gazebo. And there's the geese I was hearing last night. There they are. They haven't flown south for the summer. And look at this really nice gazebo. Maybe we'll have our picnic there. And again, beautiful lake, beautiful fall colors. There's the indoor section of the clubhouse. Again, lots of lake, and a really cool spot to have a nice big bonfire with a group of people. It's even hard to go out to get this video, but We're in Batesville, Indiana still, and unfortunately, the last 3 days it has been raining non-stop. It's rainy, it's windy, and it's very, very cold. It's about 46, feels like 32 with all the wind. Whoops. So we've been staying inside, doing inside chores, and working on video editing. Hopefully today it's supposed to clear up so we can go for a nice walk and out exploring tomorrow. So this is what 46 degrees feels like 36 degrees because of the wind and the rain here in Batesville, Indiana.
Okay, feel my hands.
It's so cold.
That's not cold?
That is freezing.
That's not cold?
It's freezing cold.
Freezing cold.
Go
this,
get
has been, this has been the worst week of my life on the road so far. The weather's been absolutely horrible.
No, we had one nice day before we got here. But it's going to be a nice day Friday, so we only have today and tomorrow to deal with it. Go get by the fire.
And then we're on the road.
Go get by the
We're getting
fire.
out of here.
Quit whining. Go get by the fire.
Getting out of here. Put those electric heat floors on.
All right, I'm putting the heated floors on. Warm up, honey. So this is what it looks like when it's 51 degrees out and dog-friendly restaurants are usually out on the patio. So we're gonna try and enjoy a nice lunch. And well, it's Halloween, honey. You look perfect.
Do I look like
you look like a scary patriot.
All right.
We're gonna try to enjoy a nice lunch anyway.
So we're at Benton Family Farms, just outside of Cincinnati, over the line of Kentucky. They are a harvest host. They are a working farm. We just saw some horses, a cow and the baby cow. There's goats over there. We're gonna go see a bull now, a Highland cow. Turned out to be a beautiful day. A little chilly, but it's nice.
Yeah.
Like, yeah, but we've seen quite a few
I guess
in our
it's-
travel.
they were like, I honestly don't remember or if they even told me why they were left, but it was
Oh, God.
like you couldn't touch their manes, you couldn't touch them really without. He was the skinniest,
Good.
he was really like you couldn't get in there with him if you tried.
Oh.
How old do you think they are?
If I had to guess, I would say maybe 4.
Okay.
Yeah, that's pretty unusual. It's unusual for them to up and leave their house like teenagers.
They said that like nothing was there but the trailer. They said that everything was gone. And I was like, what? They said this.
Look at you.
Oh, we got a cow here too.
Oh.
Cookie.
She just had a baby.
Hey, Mama. What's up, Mama?
So we'll see him in a second. He is this thing. He's getting jealous.
It's okay, buddy.
Millie, you jealous? Huh? Are you jealous? The other one is Princess.
Oh, princess.
Oh, you guys are hungry. This is good. So the mama's name is Cookie and Spidey. And Spidey's only a month old. Hi, Spidey.
You want to see the cow? Oh, look at What is that?
Who's that, Millie? What's that, buddy?
Ooh, it's a mama moon cow. It's okay.
This is where she gets milked, I guess, as it says, the milking power.
Got it. So okay. I see.
Yeah,
It's a
just
little
like that.
different. Okay.
Yes.
Oh, yes.
Oh, your hand looks nice and juicy and wet. Yeah, okay.
Oh my gosh, she's so
That's why I didn't want
Where'd
to
the baby
feed the.
go?
That's why I didn't want to feed
Where'd
the
Spidey go?
animals.
Yeah.
Where'd Spidey
I
go?
say he's probably up front still.
Where's your baby? Where's your little baby?
Millie's upset.
Oh, she's very
You're giving
gentle.
attention to the other animals there, Mom. What are you doing?
Huh?
He's upset.
Look at the beautiful eyes. Oh, was she?
So these are Highland cows.
Oh, Highland. Okay.
I love telling facts about them. Do you guys know anything about them?
No, we know nothing.
Okay, so they're also ruminant. Just like cows and sheep and goats, they only have teeth on the bottom. And so how to tell if it's a genuine Highland is they'll have little curly things right here. They'll have longer hairs by the ears and they'll be curly. That's how you tell. Also, these right here, their horns, you can never cut them.
Okay.
Some cows you're supposed to, but you can never cut their horns.
Okay.
Sideways, they're sunglasses. So no matter where she is during the day,
Millie.
her horns will shield her eyes from the sun.
Oh, wow.
So like it's literally a pair of sunglasses growing with her. And in winter, their long hair keeps them warm, and in summer, their long hair keeps them cool.
Wow.
So it's really crazy.
But she is a tall one.
She's huge for sure.
Oh my goodness, you're so beautiful.
But just like Cookie, gentle giant.
So gentle. Okay.
Like her hooves are so big. Yeah.
Oh,
They're sweet.
they are sweet.
So one of my favorite facts about a chicken is when it's a laying hen, the color of their earlobe is the color of egg yolk. So if it's like a brown color, they'll have like a brown or white egg. If it's a blue color, they'll produce Easter eggs. Like if it's pink, they'll have like the pinkish kind of.
My favorite part of the chicken is the thigh.
Shut up. That's mean.
My favorite color of egg is like the olive green ones.
Yes.
Oh my, they're so pretty. Taste the cage. He'll step into his water. I'm like,
This one is.
She's hiding.
she's skittish.
She's hiding behind. Yeah.
She's so funny.
At night she'll sleep up in the rafters and all the things.
I've never seen one of those before.
Yeah. They're crazy.
I did a cock. I heard him. What do you call it when they cockatiel do? What?
Crow.
I heard him crow a little bit ago. At least maybe it was. Is there only one right now?
Yes, we
Yeah.
only have one rooster now.
Now, did the mama not want to take care of him?
So yes, him and the little brown one, they were both rejected by their mamas.
Oh.
So they're both runts of triplets, and that's typically what will happen, sadly. But yeah, they're both runts. When I got him, he literally was this big.
Oh my god.
And so I had to feed him every 2 hours, even through the night. I had to wake up and feed him for every 2 hours.
Oh my goodness, and look at him.
Yeah, now he's a little.
Now the other one is quite little still. Is that one younger?
So,
You're so cute. Now, how old is he now?
8 months.
Oh.
Oh, he's still young, huh?
So
Yeah.
he's like a dog almost, for
He thinks-
in a sense,
We got
right?
him down to the dog status. He did think he was human.
You're so cute.
Yeah, he's eaten my hair before.
Yo. Oh my goodness.
He's the biggest cuddle bug.
Oh my goodness.
And if you set him down or anything, he'll just follow me.
Here, follow.
Yeah.
Do you want to go see Millie?
Yeah.
Huh? What do you think? Want to go see Millie? Here, let's go. Oops.
Oh, sorry.
Come on.
You can say hi,
Want to go
Joey.
see Millie? No. Okay. Oh, you saw Mama holding somebody else. Come here, Joey. Come here. Come here, Bubba. You want to say hi?
But now when he's a baby, him and my dad would practice his headbutting.
Oh, he's practicing headbutting?
My dad would mess with him.
Oh, that's right, because they do that. I know, it's okay.
We're like, we gotta get you started somewhere.
It's okay, Millie. You don't want to get headbutted, I don't
I was
think.
gonna say, he won't do anything,
Joey?
I promise.
Come here, Joey.
And if he does it,
Come here.
I'll tell you, it ain't strong.
It's okay.
Joey.
Oh, don't be jealous. It's okay. Now, will he be like a goat yoga type of
Yeah.
goat? Yeah, because
Essentially.
he's that gentle.
Yeah.
Do you guys do goat yoga here?
Mhm.
I was just going to say, I thought I had read that.
Yeah, we do.
Now, now what happens when the goats poop during goat yoga?
I'm typically there or someone else is, and we have a broom, we have cleaning supplies,
And you
we'll
just
go and
Clean it up right away.
Yeah.
That is, I don't know who invented that. Oh, look at you.
He's a good boy.
Oh my gosh, he's just like a little dog.
Hey, think he's silent.
You're so cute. You're so cute. Is that your mama? Is that your mama?
But no,
Oh my gosh.
every night he would sleep right here. I love her face, her little. Her and Joey are two peas in a pod. So
Oh, I'm sorry your mama couldn't keep you. But you're so lucky to be here. She does have a funny face.
she reminds me of a little reindeer almost.
Hi. Hi. That's what Joey reminded me of when he was jumping around. Hello. It's okay, buddy. Oh, and he just lives here?
Yeah. He actually walks a treadmill. So they have certain requirements for showing sheep, goats, all. So he eats a certain feed, a certain amount. He walks the treadmill. He does all the things. So this is Flower and Maleficent. They'll let you pet him and all that. He wants all the attention always.
Yes, I was just going to say.
Look,
This guy is
he's a strong boy. He's a strong
Hi.
boy. Like, you can see him.
Hi.
Like, he's a strong boy.
His eyeballs are so interesting with the slit.
Oh yeah, this
I go.
Is Tom's days numbered, or is he going to stay after Thanksgiving?
So his name is Tom.
I hope he gets a party. Okay. They only have what?
Bottom teeth.
Oh, okay.
So
Here, I got it for you right here, baby. There you go. There you go. Hey, you're a little slow eater. Oh, you're so sweet. You're so sweet. Here you go, baby. Here, there's something here. Oh, now wait your turn. Wait your turn. Here, come over here. Oh. Come here, baby. Yes, you can tell he runs
What are you barking at?
the roost here.
oh yeah.
Oh my goodness. Yes, there's some more. Yes. Oh my goodness. I know. I could be a farm girl.
Yes, you could.
I think so.
Will Tom let me touch it? It's the goat parade. The mamas and babies. Oh, look at it. Now, is it their feeding time? Is that why they all came in, or they just heard us?
Thanks for us.
Oh.
They're getting more. They've already all been fed.
Oh, oh my gosh.
I'm not sure
They're
which
awesome.
mamas are related to each other, but I know which babies are. So
Yeah, and you can tell she just had a baby too.
yeah, all these babies are about 8 to 9 months old, I think.
Oh, they're so cute. You guys are just so cute. You're so cute.
This one right here, the girl without horns, that was Joey's mama.
You're Joey's mama.
And when they get really mad, their heads will change color. So right now he's perfectly fine, but when he gets mad, it'll be like all blue and white.
Wow.
Like he'll get really angry.
And then
about
that long
something.
thing just sucks right up.
Yeah.
Wow. He let me pat him before.
Yeah, he's really sweet. He's
Tom,
typically always calm, and then when it comes feed time, it'll go right up into like a little.
I
Because
mean,
he's
look,
excited.
he's got big feet too.
He does.
I know. I know. Come here. Come here, baby. Come on. I just love when the pups, the way the feathers are, they're so cute.
We're talking about him. He's like, let me show you.
What's the matter, buddy?
I just want my mama. They're being very gentle with him. Here.
Yeah.
Wanna say hi?
They are very good.
Oh, how nice.
Well, we've had a wonderful time here at the Benton Family Farm. Madison was lovely. She showed us all around the animals. It was a great time. It was about an hour away from where we're staying, but it was well worth it. Tomorrow we're heading off to Jellicoe, Kentucky. We should have stayed here the night because we are an hour into our trip for tomorrow. We could have stayed right here and then we would have been an hour closer to our destination, but didn't think. Pretty cool what they did to the spare tire over there. Made it like a pumpkin.
So we've noticed in all of these small towns that people really go all out for Halloween. And I don't even know how many trick-or-treaters they'll have.
Well, it's our last night here. It's October 31st, 2025. Turned out to be a beautiful day. The sun is setting. 6:30 at night. Sun is setting. Turn the clocks back tomorrow. The sun is hitting those trees. It makes it beautiful. Got a moon up there in the sky, making the bus look beautiful. And the sun is setting down behind the trees. Still a lot of campers here. I'm not sure if they're going to get these campers out of here for the weekend or what. I think a lot of them stay. They keep their campers here for the winter time. Canada geese are leaving. They've been our friends while we've been here. It's off to Jellicoe, Tennessee tomorrow. Hey everyone, it's November the 1st. We are leaving Indian Hills Campground. Is it Indian Hills?
Indian Lakes.
Indian Lakes Campground in Batesville, Indiana. It's a little chilly out. It's overcast. We're going to be packing up right now. Try to get out of here by 10:30. That is our goal. We're going south to Jellicoe, Tennessee. At a state park. Where are you going with those? And we should be there probably, hopefully by 3 o'clock this afternoon. And we're there for a couple nights. And then we're on our way to Asheville, North Carolina for a couple nights. So I will be back in touch later on. Have a great day, everyone. See ya. And that concludes our stay at Indian Lakes Campground in Batesville, Indiana. Now we're off to Indian Mountain State Park in Jellicoe, Tennessee. Just on the Tennessee-Kentucky line, about an hour north of Knoxville. If you like this video, please leave a like and maybe a comment. We'd love to hear from you guys. So until next time, we will see you later. And again, as always, thanks for watching.